Hi Tom.
Hi Ben.
Today what we are going to do.
Oh, we have a new product to presenting you. It's called All-in-One Shoe Cleaner Machine.
Oh, it's very interesting.
Let's have a look.
On a rainy day, everyone has a mission to do. Pat is the one who is going to college. He goes through the rain. Of course, he had to use a heavy shoe. You see that he used very heavy shoe. And when he back home, this is condition of the shoe he was wearing. Absolutely, he must heavy polish shoe. And wear the shoe dry for several hours. But if you have all-in-one shoe cleaner machine, you can clean a shoe in a few minutes. This is a machine for clean shoe in a few minutes. Simply put the shoe in machine and leave it clean. This is a demonstration of this machine. Step 1. Put the shoe in the machine. Step 2. Turn on the machine. Complete. We have a clean shoe.
Wow, it's very convenient. Do you like it?
Yes, I like it.
No, I don't ask you Ben. Now, let's talk about the inventor. He is on the line. Hello, Ted. What are you doing?
I'm relaxing
Why are you invent this product?
because I have problem with police shoe.
What the attractiveness of this product?
You can get comfortable.
How much it cost?
Who doesn't find it bad?
Do you think people will buy this?
Of course, people always exchange money with comfort.
Thank you for the interview.
Not a problem.
Why you talk with him alone?
Shut up.